Hey guys, Norm here with Lake Travis Mobile Glass. Just wanted to show you we're doing a rock chip repair. Windshield is Acura MDX windshield. You can see here at the top it has lane departure, so these ones are not cheap. So we're going to save some money and fix this pretty nasty, almost quarter size chip. I'll show you each step along the way. Right now it's probably about 60 something degrees, so just so that you're aware what the temperature is and how that's going to change the process as we do this. So hold on tight, I'll get set up and show you the first step. Okay, so we've cleaned the windshield, just the surface, outside surface, and I've set up a mirror so I could get a better look at it. We're going to use just a smaller Dremel drill, and what's key here is that bit. It's a glass bit, smallest we can find, and we're going to drill right where the rock hit. You can see the crushed area on the surface of the glass, that white area. So we're going to drill right there, most of the way through the outside layer of the glass. So as far as like how much it is, a couple millimeters. So I'll do that now, and we'll be back, take a look at it, and show you the next step. Alrighty, there we go. Trying to get this to focus for you guys. We did drilling. It was just very slight. Upon further inspection, you can see there's actually two impact points. So it's the major one there that we drilled a little bit, and then there's one a little bit above it. Hopefully this will all connect. If not, we'll work on that second one after we finish the first one. But after the drilling, what we're going to do is set up what we call a bridge assembly. That's this right here. And this is what we call the barrel or injector, this tube right here. We'll set that up right over the top of where we drilled, where the impact point is, so that we can, through pressure, force liquid glass or resin into the damaged area. Once I get this all set up, before I apply the resin, I'll do some other stuff, so we'll show you that here in a second. So let me get partially set up and we'll be right back. Okay, so now you can't see anything, right? Because I have it covered with a UV shield because we're in direct light. But I set that bridge assembly up underneath there, right over where we drilled. And I'm going to show you from the inside what we're going to do, because it's cooler out, like I was explaining at the beginning. We're going to use heat here, and make sure that you are not working on someone's vehicle that has a tinted windshield. Yes, it's illegal, but some people have them, and you don't want to put direct flame on window tint. Not a good idea. All right, so let's get this to focus a little bit better so you can see what we're doing. Speaking of illegal stuff, and now, we want to make this warm, 100 degrees, 120 degrees, but you should still be able to touch it. If you're getting it so hot that you can't touch it with your hand, you took it too far. But what you should notice is, you see I keep moving the flame, not in one spot, but you'll notice it start to disappear somewhat, because by heating it up, it's expanding, the crack's kind of closing up, if you will. So you can see the spot there. We touch it, it's warm, but not too bad. All right, so we're doing that so that it does close up when we put our resin in and allow it to cool, sort of like squeezing a sponge. As it cools, the sponge sucks back in, glass will suck back in that resin. So at this point now, we're going to add the resin right here into the top and just give it some time. We'll be back.